Yeah, slow down.
Oh. Nutcracker.
Come on, come on.
Nope.
Let's see, my turn. Let's see what I get on this one.
Oh no, you got one too?
Yeah, I got the same one. Then I got two different ones. Reindeer. Come on, man. Give me something. Give me something.
No.
Get the same thing. We did, except for the mistletoe. Wow. Alright, next. 22. Oh yeah.
Ya empezamos bien.
Como $2. Told you it would be like $2.
Oh my god. So I was making some chili poppers, right? They're called poppers? Chili poppers?
Chili poppers.
Okay, I was making some chili poppers, but I was doing it with a bag because I don't have gloves, and Nico didn't care, so he just didn't like that. Because I don't want to touch Anastasia or the bottles, because it's gonna burn her. With some smoky bacon, and then over here we have, what is this? Pork empanizado, and I made a little bit of rice. And what else are we making? That's all right.
About it.
I think you only gonna wear once.
Yeah, I know.
Well, at least you got something. First
$2.
number.
Oh wait.
Oh, that's all. We only want $2, guys.
I only wasted 4.
Oh yeah, because remember, I had to record it yesterday's, but it didn't came out because something wrong with my camera. I don't know what happened. But I got my BoxyCharm box. I have the November and I still have it in my box. I was going to show you guys what I got for November. I'll show you guys later. This one is from December. And let me see what I got. What did I get? Oh, it's a flamingo, like my friend likes flamingos. I got a strainer. I got the strainer, guys. And that's what I said. If I don't get a strainer, I don't want the box. And I got the strainer. I got the strainer. It's super tiny, love, look.
So you don't need the
No, yeah, I do.
What I bought you?
He bought me a chi for Christmas. Look. So
For Anastasia?
for Anastasia. I can travel with it. Just kidding. It's gonna take for like hours. Got that. I also got a Tarte lipstick. I got the strainer, and it's pretty. It's purple. It smells really pretty. Let me wear it. Hair care. I don't know what this is. I don't know how to use this. What the hell is this? Look. Look. Are you supposed to eat this?
Huh?
Are you supposed to eat this?
You did?
Read the instructions at the bottom. Cover it though. And then I got this, an eyebrow cream. Oh, okay, so this is...
Love these, you don't eat.
What is that?
So this, you go shower, and after you shower you dry your hair, and then you pop the cap open, you spray it, and then you rub it in your hands, and then you put it in your hair.
Oh, okay. I was about to eat it.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Not for us, yeah.
It's a makeup box, why would you eat this?
I don't know, maybe they send you
Babe,
things.
it's a makeup box. Why would you eat it? For real, why would you eat something that comes in a makeup box? Hair care. Why would you eat it?
I don't know, maybe they're vitamins. Oh, okay, makes sense. We more likely would have said vitamins. You know? Duh. So I got this from, I don't know what this is, Cella. And it's a cream eyebrow thing. So this is the brush, and then it has a cream. So you just go like this. And then I got this palette, Wonder Beauty. I never heard this brand. Seriously? What is this? Just 3 eyeshadows? Or...
For fine
oh, it's a blush and highlight palette. Duh, I didn't read that. So, it's really pretty actually. This is a highlight and 2 blushes. We're just waiting for the poppers, and right now we're gonna eat. So now I know what this is. Don't eat it if you get it. My strainer, so cute. I don't know why I wanted the strainer, but it was just so cute. Okay, so where's my phone? Let's make the total of everything. Oh yeah. Total was $175, and I only paid $21 or 20. I don't remember, but yeah. Save yourself some money. So this is my BoxyCharm from November. I still have it because I wanted to show you guys. The theme was Gold Digger. Super cute. Anyways, so I got the brushes. They're really pretty. They are like not that big actually. Then I got the cover highlighter thingy, whatever it's called. It's glitter drops, and this is the color. It's so pretty. I honestly don't use this, but I can use this for like to highlight my body or whatever. But I guess so cute. I got some tweezers as well. They're really nice. I haven't used them. And oh yeah, so let me tell you guys the price. For this was $44. For the brushes was $21. The tweezers were $12. Okay, the makeup brush cleaner, I should have tried this yesterday. Oh well. This was $12 as well. I wonder if it's good, but I'll check later. And my favorite thing from the entire box is this beautiful palette, $24. I never heard this brand before, but it looks really nice, guys. Like, I really like the color. Look at these colors. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. I added 2 more colors because they're really pretty. This one, this neon green, and this neon pink, which I haven't put in them yet, but look at the difference from this pink. I have 3 different pinks because I ran out, so I thought I had the same pink, but in reality I didn't. This is a different pink compared to this one. This is like a hardcore neon. But this one, and this one, it's a different pink, and these are a different pink. So yeah. And I made more pom-poms. I need to make a little bit more of green because I only have 3 there. And these are the ones, the original ones. And I want to go get the original pink that I had already had, but I need to make pom-poms now. Look who just woke up. Hi, girlfriend! She just woke up from her nap, so let me show you guys how it turned out. It looks super cute. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoy how it looks. And let me show you. So this is how it looks. It's super duper cute. Well, I like it because it's so colorful, but It was super easy to make and it's very affordable if you go to Hobby Lobby because they're 99 cents. But yeah guys, that's how it looks. I was about to bake some cookies, but change of plans. I'm gonna go hang out with my friends. They're on the way to pick me up. So I'll be baking those cookies tomorrow because I told you I was gonna bake them for him today, but never mind. Sorry babe, love you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.